I am one Jamila, known as Art Jamila.
This painting is for NSTP's 175th anniversary. It documents the journey of NSTP from 1845 until 2020 in storyboards, traversing through thick and thin for 175 years. NSTP has been with us since our country was colonized by the British in 1845, to the harsh times of being invaded by the Japanese in World War II, to times of pre-medical and achieving victory of being a free country, to where we are now in 2020, as we successfully fight the coronavirus and live with the new normal. It all started during the British colonization of Malaya in the 19th century in 1845 in Singapore, under the name Straits Times and Singapore Journal of Commerce, owned by an editor by the name of Robert Carwoods. Here, the British Army and the three races of people of Malaya, Malay, Chinese, and Indian, are holding a storyboard with the British and Federated Malay States flags in the background. In another storyboard shows in 1900, the Straits Times Press was converted into a private limited company, the Straits Times Press Private Limited. With this, the days of proprietor editor were over. Next, in 1908, Alexander William Steele expanded circulation figures. After that, in 1928, the newspaper's formatting was changed to pictures and cartoons by George William Seabridge. During World War II, when the Japanese invaded Malaya from 1942 to 1945, they used the Straits Times printing operation to publish the Shonan Times. Here, the Japanese army and the three races of people of Malaya are holding a storyboard with the Japanese flags in the background. After the war, the Straits Times resumed publication in 1945 in September. From 1946 to 1948, the Malayan Union was established and the Federation of Malaya was formed in 1948. In 1950, the Straits Times became a public limited company and changed its name to the Straits Times Press Public Limited. Here, the British Army and the three races of people of Malaya are holding a storyboard with the Federated Malay States flags in the background. In this storyboard in 1957, the Federation of Malaya gained independence and named the country Malaysia. After that, in 1959, the Straits Times Press Public Limited changed its name to the Straits Times Press Malaya Limited. Here, the three races of people of Malaysia are holding a storyboard with Malaysian flags of 11 stripes in the background. In 1963, Sabah and Sarawak joined Malaysia. Thus, we can see the five people of Malaysia, Malay, Chinese, Indian, Kadazan, and Iban, holding a storyboard with the background of Malaysia flags with 14 stripes. However, in 1965, Singapore left Malaysia. The Straits Times Malaya Limited changed its name to the Straits Times Press Malaya Berhad and moved to Balai Berita Bangsa in Kuala Lumpur in 1967. In 1972, the fleet group Sendirian Berhad Penang took over the company's operation and changed its name to the new Straits Times Press Malaysia Sdn Bhd NSTP. NSTP flourished further and became a public listed company in 1973 under the name the New Straits Times Press Malaysia Berhad. They were able to spread their wings with Business Times, an online library, online news, and many more in 21 years of effort. On the 3rd of June in 1993, MRCP took over NSTP and STMB division from Renom Berhad and further expanded their publication for 9 years into publications like VH Minda, VH Didik, Harian Metro, VH Joran, and many more. Next, on the 6th of October in 2002, Media Prima took over NSTP and division and explored into digital formatting, interactive through cell phone, 3D editions of newspapers, compact printed formatting, and a pull-out called VH2 for the youth. They managed to achieve the Malaysian Book of Records for the longest running entertainment as well. In the new millennium, NSTP achieved more glory when they became the first newspaper to be 5S certified. They also expanded to produce e-magazines, mobile applications, and interactive education portal and mobile applications throughout the years. Then, in 2016, NSTP moved to their new premise at Bandar Utama and converted Balai Berda in Mangsa to an art gallery known as Gallery Lima on the 1st of June in 2016. Lastly, 2020 is a very challenging year with the COVID-19 world pandemic. NSTP stands strong in the war with the virus, bringing the latest news to the nation every day. This painting is a historical manuscript of traversing through 175 years of NSTP's journey from a tiny company owned by only an editor in the 19th century to a gigantic corporation in the new millennium, 21st century. Malaysia and NSTP have been together through many battles and hardship, but we stand strong in the end as we are together. #Kita Bersama. Art is my language. Traversing 175.